Hello and welcome to Let's Talk SEO. So in this video, I'll go over a 10-minute change that you can make to your website and start ranking right away, especially if you have a page that's not working very well for you and you kind of think, you know what, I need to give this page a boost. You've done lots of content, you've tried internal linking, you've tried everything else, and now you're kind of desperate to rank this page. So what can you do? Well, this is called a 10-minute change, and this was put out by a famous YouTuber. And I would say this guy is a YouTuber, SEO expert, marketer, you name it. Okay. So here's how the 10-minute fix would work, and you will start ranking right away. So the first thing is you'll do is you clone the page that is not working. So you'll, in other words, make a copy of the page that is not working for you. You'll then spend around 5 minutes removing words like you'll change the URL, you'll change the page title, the meta description, opening paragraphs, and these changes can be minor, though you can make major changes if you want to do that. But because this is a 5 minute change, you don't want to spend a lot of time doing it. Then you will make all these changes to the new page so that it kind of looks different. You'll then 301 redirect the old page to the new page. So the old URL gets 301 redirected to the new URL. So that Google sees that, the page has been transferred, and also it transfers the link juice and all the link equity that page might have had, especially since you might have done some link building for that page. So it might have some backlinks pointing to it. So you're kind of passing all the juice off to the brand new page that you just created, which has exactly the same content, just minor changes made to it. The old page, and you might want to change the links in the menu, point all the old internal links to this new page from the old page, and then submit it to Google. So you submit that page to Google, and it will get crawled, and lo and behold, within a week, you'll start ranking number one in Google. Well, actually, that is bad advice, but that was advice given out just recently by a very big YouTuber, and he had a guest on his channel that said, this is what you can do if you're not ranking very well or you're kind of desperate to rank. This quick fix will get you ranking. That is incorrect. This will not work for you. In fact, if you do this enough times, the more, maybe like multiple pages on your site, you will end up getting penalized for spammy content. And this will not be a manual penalty. This will be an algorithmic penalty, and it will be a site-wide penalty because Google will see your website as being spammy. Plus, this thing doesn't really work. So this was first talked about over 10 years ago. I saw another famous YouTuber slash SEO talk about it back then. It was new. I kind of tested it out on multiple websites. Many of my test websites just didn't see a boost in their rankings. I would say the results were 50-50 at best. But even then, I would say it was a risky tactic because the ones that did see a boost, which were 50% of my websites, they soon declined in traffic. So it was boosted, maybe for a few days, it went down again. Plus, what I also noticed was this mainly works on websites that are at Google News. And if you go through Google's algorithm leak, which I have a whole video about made a few months back, you will see that Google says that this boosting thing only works with news sites because they initially give a brand new page on a news site a boost because it might be fresh news that people are interested in, but this does not work for new pages on other websites. And so by doing this, a lot of your own pages, what you're doing is Google maintains a copy of your old pages. So Google knows what the previous page was about. When you're 301 redirecting, Google says, all right, this is a brand new page. What's new about this page? And if it doesn't see anything new about this page, you, you will be penalized by the algorithm for having duplicate content on your website and kind of trying to deceive the search engine. And if you do this enough times, your website will be labeled as a spam website. So just wanted to put this out there, let everyone know who has watched that video because I know that video has gotten a lot of views. And for some reason, I get asked this question. My client emailed me yesterday saying, you know what, does this really work? And I was like, man, I don't know. This is like a very bad thing to do, very bad idea if you care about your site. Now, on the other hand, if you want to give it a shot, you're okay with your website being penalized or the risk of being penalized, go ahead, give it a shot. But just keep in mind, some things are made for YouTube, and most of what's made for YouTube just does not work in the real SEO world. So if you guys like the video, like, subscribe as always, leave a comment below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Happy ranking.